Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's project has jute rope. You'll need a 4-foot section with 2 zip ties, and then you'll need some assorted fabrics for whatever theme you choose to do. Today's project was Halloween, so I needed 2-inch by 12-inch fabric strips between 30 and 36 for the total project, and I made some handmade ornaments to just give it a little bit more festive look. You can make it for any theme: Christmas, holidays, birthdays, spring, summer, fall, winter, whatever you choose. Enjoy the video that comes next, and along with pictures at the end for the Halloween and Christmas swag or garland that I made. Tell me what you'd prefer to call it in the comments below. Okay, so here's my piece of rope. I have taken the time to make a loop at the very end, secure it with a zip tie. Then I brought it around front the very end and frayed it and hot glued it back to the rope so it could kind of cover up the zip tie behind it. So on my rope I have the letter P, basically a reverse P on each end. That's the 4-foot part. Then 30 strips of assorted fabric, 2-inch by 6-inch. And then I am getting ready for a craft fair, so I made some little faces. I added leaves to this pumpkin. Just take 5 popsicle sticks, glue them together, and paint them up. For a pumpkin, this is the ghost. Of course, I secured it with this particular jumbo craft stick, and I made it like a twig, or painted it like a twig so it could be peeking behind a branch. And then I have Frankenstein. So these are the 3 items I will accent my rope with. Let's get started. First, to secure my rope in place so I can work with it, right there. I just basically have some masking tape to put it down. Make sure my rope doesn't wiggle away. I'm going to go do the same at the other end, which is out of sight, but you'll get my drift. Then I'm going to separate my fabric colors, patterns. Let's see. And pull in order for me from dark to light. Excuse me. I'm just going to tie a knot, plain and simple. Tie a knot. I go over, under, and then when I pull through, I try to make sure that the fabric is the same color facing up. Go on to my next strip. And if your spacing is off, you can also adjust that afterwards. Well, simple knot. And continue along until you're at the other end of the rope. You can adjust them by pulling the knots from side to side if you want them close. Continue on to the end of the rope. Hopefully by now you've managed to get all those ribbons, or actually ribbons. That would be a great idea. I wish I had some of these colors to add ribbons or even lace to this. That would even make it more interesting. Wish I had thought of that in advance. But all my strips are on there, and at this point we just need to add the decoration. Space them wherever you'd like. And I noticed while I was tying my strips that Frankenstein's bolt I don't think it's in the head. It's supposed to be through the neck, so I probably should have started it like this and put his hair on top. It's been a while since I watched the Frankenstein movie, so I figured that out after it was all done. But we're going to go with it anyway. Time to tie these guys on. I've got some little twine on the back that I used the glue gun with, and I'm just going to tie a knot on the twine and let it hang. For some reason it's easier said than done for me today. Let's try again. Okay. And I'm going to have it hang below the actual strips. But you can put it wherever you like. Get the pumpkin on, then I'll move down to Frankenstein. My goodness. There we go. Okay, they're all attached. Now I'm just going to remove the masking tape from each end of the rope. And even though I'll try to show you what it may look like. Let's see, can you see that? Probably not. I'll tell you what, let me go hang one of these up on my husband's storage place. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll hang something up and give you a picture. How's that? Thank you for watching. Sandy Pro. Take a look at that picture. I gotta go.